Before you buy Outreach, you need to know this because this tool can help you, but only if you use it the right way. Now let's understand what Outreach actually does. First, it finds leads for you. You don't need to search manually. Second, it writes personalized emails using AI, so you don't start from zero. Third, it sends email automatically, no manual work. Now this is important, it also sends follow-ups because most people don't reply on the first email. And here is something interesting. It can also detect replies and help you respond faster. So overall, Outreach is not just an email tool, it is a full outreach system. In this short video, I will show you how Outreach works step by step. We are going to look at the main features of this outreach engine to see how it can help your businesses. First, we start on the dashboard. Here on the screen, you can see all your email activity in one place. You can track your leads, see who has unsubscribed, and view all the messages you have sent or received from prospects. Next, it shows that you can manage many different campaigns at the same time. Whether you have different products or run an agency for various clients, you can create a dedicated campaign for each one. When you click into a specific campaign, you can see its individual performance and data. Inside the campaign setting, you can add your business name, profile, and product detail. The AI uses this information to write your emails for you. You can also set a daily limit on how many emails to send and choose the right time zone for your target country. Then you connect your email accounts. It supports Gmail, G Suite, and other professional email providers. You can even set a specific limit for each email ID to keep your account safe and ensure your messages land in the inbox. Now let's look at the mail sequence, which are the heart of your campaign. You can decide exactly when the first email goes out after a lead is added. You can write the emails yourself or simply click a button to let the AI write them for you. The tool even includes a language checker to fix grammar and spam checker to remove words that might get your email blocked. Another great feature is the response and reply section. Here you teach the AI about your businesses by adding common questions and answer. When a customer asks something, the AI uses this info to send a reply automatically or write one for your approval. Finally, you can control your sending schedule and set up notification. The system can email you immediately whenever a customer responds, shows interest, or requests an appointment. This is the final result you get, a fully automated system that finds leads and talks to them for you. Once you set up your campaign once, the AI handles the sending and reply on autopilot. That's it. This demo shows how Outreach manages everything from tracking leads to writing and sending AI-powered emails. This looks very useful for business owners or agencies who want to grow their outreach without doing all the manual work. If you want to see full demo, the link in the description below with full details and my custom bonuses. Now let me be honest with you. Outreach is not magic. It will not make you money automatically until you will not try it. So who is best for outreach? Beginners, freelancer, people who want clients. But if you want instant result without effort, then this will not work for you. You can try Outreach with 30 days money back guarantee. Click the link in the description and try it for 30 days. You will also get my exclusive bonus bundle, step-by-step system, extra resources. You will also get launch discount. Go check the link below. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Stacks Review. I will see you in the next product.